also. Okay, so we're here and we're proving again because I didn't prove my endpoints working. So because I already did the OAuth authorization, so I need to log in. So log in. Once I log in, it's should work with render. We must wait a little bit. I hope like 1 minute as much. Pueden hablar, no hay problema, eh.
Estoy practicando listening.
Ah, okay. My friend is practicing the listening, so. Come on, render. We're just waiting for you. Render. Render. Maybe it is because I'm using my mobile device. Ah, there we go, it's working. So I'm logged in already, so let's go to the API docs. Slash API docs. And here at Swagger, let's try let's try all the endpoints. So first, let me open GitHub, in order to show my project and showing how the validation is working. So let's get into controllers folder or directory, depends. This time I'm on a Windows, so I'm using folders. So let's check all the validators for the endpoints. So as you can see here in the code, we got the endpoint get all the students. So const get all the students. We gotta try and catch. So try first. We're gonna try to get a database, and then we try to get the result of collections. And this time is contacts. So I named the collection contacts. That's why I'm asking for this collection specifically. Then I will get an array for the contacts, and so on. If anything here happens, we'll get a catch, the catch error, so we're gonna catch an error, and the message is internal server error, in case the get doesn't work. And I have a try and catch for also forget by ID. So I'm here, const user ID, get database, the result, but because I'm using an ID here, if context length plus more, I mean the ID, and here you can see the context inside of an array, so I start with the array, 0. If I cannot get the array, students cannot be found. So if I cannot get overall the students in the ID, I will get this error. Message ID number invalid, bad request, and or internal server. Also a try and catch for post, update, and delete. And finally, because I'm using ES models, export. So it's also pretty much the same for teachers. .js file. So I gotta try and catch, get, post, pod, and delete. And also I export again. Sorry. So something I would like to show to you guys is here at Roots. Here at Roots, I found some pretty cool stuff from Stack Overflow. So if I go to, no, this is the Roots. If I go to students or teachers, well, let's go to the teachers. It's more compact, the code here. So, because I'm using again ES models, so I need to import information from controllers. So here, this is like a regexp, but instead of just adding like should be this like a regexp, I found this library and I just add that is string with message name must be string. Also, if it is empty, it displays a message saying name is required. Also for email and with strings. So this validates the information that it must be entered according to my model here in the query. So let's go back to teachers. Hey, no swear words. Sorry. So here ID validator, I also found this ID validator, ID equal to ID. Return parameter ID is Mongo ID and with message. This ID that I intended to enter is not a valid Mongo ID. And also, this is the magic, where the magic works and happens. Router.get all, because I have no filters for get all, so just I go straight forward to get all. For router get about ID, I added the ID validator validator parameter validation, and then I call the file and get single. For post, for put, for delete. Well, now let's this time try at Swagger. So let's try for now. Let's go for teachers. Get. So if I get all the teachers, I click on try it out. Try it out. So execute, and there you go. It retrieves the information from the database. Hey, I'm recording, friend. Estoy grabando.
Pero le traje chocolate.
Ajá, pásate uno.
Son dos para ustedes, güey.
Oh, thank you. So now let's try it with a post. So let's try it out. Click on try it out. Thank you. Thanks for the chocolate. So let's gonna add name. A ver, let's see. This teacher is gonna be Andrea. Andrea, what's your email? Andrea, what's your email?
Andrea Cecilia 14
Andrea Cecilia 14
@gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Andrea, ¿qué materia te gustaría enseñar? Which subject? Mate, okay, mathematics. Oh, philosophy. Wow, that's pretty cool. Philosophy. Okay, now let's try let's execute it in order to see if it works. And there you go, it works. We got acknowledged true. So now let's try it out. Let's see. So Andrea must be displayed here. Execute again. And there you go. We have an Andrea Cecilia 14 at gmail.com. Philosophy, the subject. Now let's delete. Now let's update. So let's get a pod. Oh, I need to get her ID. So the ID for Andrea is Andrea. What's your ID? Excellent. Okay, ¿cuál es tu ID, Andrea? No te crees. Okay, click and then name. Result. Okay. Apparently, Andrea is not only Andrea; it's Andrea Cecilia. So let's update her name. Cecilia. Email is gonna be the same. So Andrea Cecilia 14 at gmail.com. But Andrea doesn't teach philosophy. She said that she wanted to teach. ¿Qué quieres enseñar?
Desarrollo humano.
Okay, human development. That's such a boring subject. Development. Okay. Okay, let's see. Execute it. And we got a true. Okay, now let's see again. The airplane. There we go. Andrea Cecilia, and then the subject is updated with human development. So now let's delete Andrea. Okay, so when you click on try it out, enter the ID, execute. And Andrea, wait, what? DB collection is not a function. But something's happening here. Oh, it's not a function. Execute. Let's see what's happening here. Execute. And Andrea's still here. Okay. Well, now it is working. We have no more Andrea.